Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Apple AirPods Pro charging case. They are shark proof. These are the cute cow and butterflies. Alright, so today we happen to get our AirPods Pro case. They are offered in several different colors. You've got pink and black, which are the ones here. You got black and pink, black and purple, black and red, black and white, blue, blue, white, brown and red, red and gold, black and gold, pink, pink, white, and you got other ones. So these ones here are very convenient for charging, so you can charge them with the normal charger, which is wired, or you can charge them wirelessly. They do come with a key ring. So it is a protective case for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It is flexible, anti-scratch, and they are dust proof. 90% full opening with the two parts. It does come with the top and bottom fully open. It is perfect fit for the AirPod Pro case. They are nice and tight. It does give you a ring, so it tells you right here is the back and this one is the front. So there's a easy to take with you. You can clip onto a backpack, your pants, your pockets, making it easy to take with you anywhere you go. As you can see right here, it does have a spot where you can clip on the clip, and here is the second part, which is the bottom. So this only works for the 2nd generation AirPods. I do have a little metal thing to connect by the wire, so you just slide it in right there. So it is really tight fitting. You don't got to worry about it sliding off. It is fully covered. Unique design protects the AirPods Pro against any scratches, scrapes, bumps, or falls off. This protective case can make your AirPod anti-shock and anti-slip. It is a fingerprint and dust proof, keeping your AirPods clean from day-by-day use. It is precisely charging port designed to charge your AirPods Pro with the case on. The LED light is visible while wire or wireless charging. It'll give your AirPods Pro a full protection without affecting any sensors. Charging functions of your AirPods charging, the cable is not included. So you can see that it is connected. It does have a spot right here you can connect to the pen. You don't want to connect it to the big one. The big one is a little too big for the size, so it does give you a smaller one right here at the bottom. That one right there, you'll just connect to the case itself. You just slide it right on. This is a super nice case if you don't want your case to get any scratches or any dust or finger marks. This one here is a great one to have to protect it from dust, fingerprints, or dropping, or even damaging it. I like the fact that it does come with a keyring little clip, so you can take it with you on the go, not having to worry about them slipping out. This case is super tight on your case itself, so you don't have to worry about it slipping. I would highly recommend checking these ones out if you are looking for an AirPod case protector.